Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Al Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 116 Basic AutoCAD in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Alrighty, so as we take a look at the course, remember that student assistance is available at these times here. If you're interested in getting extra help, you can come into the Skokie campus, room P131, on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays virtual, and Sunday at the Skokie campus. So we have these 3 in-person classes. Give us a heads up and send us an email if you are coming in for some extra assistance, and we'll be happy to help. The midterm exam starts today, and we're using HonorLock to proctor that so that we have the ability to check people's identities. HonorLock is a proctoring software. If we click on this link, and that's not quite it. Let me go back here. We'll fix that. I think it's this one. Here we are. HonorLock is a proctoring software. You can schedule a demo if you'd like to see what the HonorLock system works, but I think a lot of people have been familiar with this if they're taking the online courses. And you can schedule a demo. You will need a webcam and you will need a picture ID. And you'll need a credit card. If you pay $11, then you can use the HonorLock system for the final as well. If it's a one-time, I believe it's $8, and you'd probably pay more for the one-time abilities. So with that, the midterm exam is located under quizzes and exams. And so if we come up here to quizzes and exams, here's our midterm. When you take the midterm, be sure to use Chrome because it doesn't work with Microsoft Edge or some of these other browsers. And it seems to be the issue that comes up every year. It's just a multiple choice question exam that's proctored so that we can verify people's identity. We also have a practice midterm available for the students. And so you can take the practice midterm and you can take that an unlimited number of times. We recommend that you take the practice midterm before you take the regular exam because it will help your score. If we take a look at the content area and we look at the outline of topics, we're scheduled, we just finished spring break and midterm is starting today, and then we'll start on module 9, multi-view drawing, as we continue to work on our drawings for the course. Alrighty, back to the main splash page. As the course is progressing along, keep an eye on the calendar. The midterm is due on the 31st. Be sure to take the practice exam. And if you have any questions, you can get student assistance or just email us and we can help you in that way. Al, is there anything else we want to touch base on before we end this meeting?
No, I think that's great. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Give us a call, email us, whatever you like to do. Please get a hold of us. We're here for you.
No problem. Sounds great. And we'll talk to you next week. If you have any questions, like Al said, just be sure to drop us an email and let us know. All right, that ends our meeting. I'll post it and open things up for questions.